The party has since taken a position on the issue of coalition, and we want to reiterate that the party is not interested in any overtures by any group or persons to go into any form of coalition or measure. Like we have earlier stated, the protagonists of the coalition, being those driving the agenda, they all lack capacity, they lack character, and they lack competence to midwife such a political arrangement. These are people who have failed in various ways and at all times to manage just one political party. They have failed to give direction to the political parties which they belong. How can they honestly manage an amalgam of political parties and their varied interests? Labour Party intends to prosecute 2027 general election as standalone party, and no further discussion will be entertained on this matter.